But you put your hand over your mouth. What? Me? No, I won't, and I'll tell you why. I yawn as an energetic release for myself. It means I feel safe, secure, and able to relax and release pent-up energy. And if I put my hand over my mouth, then it stops the full release. We all know that feeling. It's not a pleasant feeling. And also, you should take it as a compliment if I yawn around you, because it means I feel safe enough to do so. So how about we normalize allowing people to regulate in whichever ways they see fit? What do you think? Is yawning without a hand over your mouth rude or required?